You ever wondered what the difference between Wealthy Affiliate, the online platform, and MLMs is? Well, one teaches you how to build an online business, and the other, well, let's just say you might end up with a garage full of protein shakes that you'll never drink, and then you will never sell. So I'll break down the difference between the two models, why one actually works and why the other is usually more hype than any help at all. I'm Lisa Renee. Welcome to the Laptop of Retirement, where I help women and men over 60 create freedom, income, and purpose online, because retirement isn't the end. It's just the beginning of your next login. If you're new here, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss my weekly videos. I put one up on Wednesday and on Saturday. And there's no tech overwhelm and no nonsense in all my videos. So let's get going. So Wealthy Affiliate is an all-in-one platform that teaches you how to build a business with affiliate marketing. This is a website you'll come to where you can sign up for an absolutely free account. If you look over here, you can see you can get your 5-part AI launch video series, and it's all for free. A complete step-by-step video training to launch your AI-powered business. It is going to help you learn about picking a niche you care about. It's going to help you build a website in under the 1 hour. It's going to help you write content that attracts readers. And you can earn commissions from affiliate programs that they provide depending on your niche, like Amazon, Walmart, and other popular brands. And it's not that they are providing the affiliate links. They're providing the companies that offer an affiliate program where you get your own personalized link that you put in your website. They also include web hosting, website hosting, keyword tools, step-by-step courses, and the best part, you can start for free, as I showed you on the sign-up page. There's no hidden starter kits, no upsells, no recruiting, just clear training and a huge community. Their community is like world class. So what actually MLM stands for is the multi-level marketing, and it's sometimes it's called network marketing, and it works like this. You buy into a company's products. Think supplements, skincare, or other gadgets. You sell those products to family and friends, or anyone who's going to listen to your pitch, and the real money usually comes from recruiting other people to do what you're doing. And that's called a downline. On paper, it looks like a great opportunity, but according to the FTC, the majority of people in MLMs never make a profit. Many actually lose money because they're required to keep buying products just to stay active. And I tell you, my friends, I have done that many times. And one company I bought into 2 different times. And the first time, it was like almost $500 a month of product that I had to keep buying to stay active, to try to get other people to do the same thing. And I finally got out of it because nothing was happening. I wasn't able to do the recruiting and have this huge downline that I'm making money off of other people. Because that's how it works. So I left. I went back to them. I got caught up in it doesn't cost $500 anymore. It's only going to cost you $150 a month. That's the lowest amount of product you can buy is $150 a month. So I got sucked into it not once, but twice. So yeah, never again. So the key difference is with Wealthy Affiliate, you build a website, create helpful content, and earn commissions from trusted companies. No recruiting required. With MLMs, you focus heavily on recruiting and selling products, often to people you know. Your income depends on building a pyramid-shaped team, and only house those at the top usually profit. Hence the name pyramid schemes. Affiliate marketing builds an asset, a website that works for you even when you're sleeping. MLM builds dependency. You're always chasing the next recruit. So, yeah, the reality check. Affiliate marketing takes time. You won't be rolling in commissions next week, but the difference is it's real and it's a long-term business model. Every article, every video, every piece of content you publish is an asset that can earn you money for years. So MLMs, on the other hand, often leave people frustrated, burned out, and with closets full of inventory they can't sell. Been there, seen it, no thanks. So Wealthy Affiliate is actually perfect for you women over 60 or anyone who's looking to retire soon or build more of a security net because you can't depend on the social security. It's low cost, there's no huge buy-ins, and it's free to start, like you can see here on the screen. And it's flexible. You work when you want. You work on your schedule. You work it as much or as little as you want. It teaches transferable skills like blogging, SEO, which is search engine optimization, so you can be seen in the Google. And it teaches you content marketing. And most importantly, it gives you a supportive community. You're never alone and stuck. And I tell you, the community is awesome. Let me switch over to my actual site. So let's go to the home page. And this is the home page. Oh, my dog Ollie, what are you doing? And this is where, see over here on the right side, this is your live chat. There are millions of people in here. What does it say on the site? There are 2.8 million members. It's been around for over 19 years. There's 24/7 live support, and I can attest to that. So here's the chat, and there's always somebody in the chat because there's people around the world that are members. So you always have this. You can ask questions here, you can ask questions here, and they'll get answered. You have your own personal profile you can set up. I am a Premium Plus member because I found out how worth it it really is. You can create your own blog. You can create different businesses. I have a couple different businesses I have set up. They have core training. And there's so much content that you're always able to learn at your own pace. And you can go through, and you could even be an affiliate for Wealthy Affiliate, but you don't have to have a downline like the MLMs. And the communities are huge. And there's always someone in the community. There's several that teach. They teach certain classes. Let's go look at that. I think it's under video training. There it is, video classes. There's always someone teaching what they know and what they've learned. This series is on scheduling content for Facebook, for Instagram, for blogging, for YouTube, for Pinterest. It's just amazing, all the content that they give you within. And they have classes even on the free account because you can learn how to get your website up. You can get a free website to get started. They will host it and everything, and that wouldn't even cost you anything. And then later down the road, if you want to get your own domain name, you can do that as well. So this is like a no-brainer for me. If you're ready to explore affiliate marketing the right way, this is the way. So first off, down in the description, I've got my free laptop retirement starter kit. And you can click that link and get that. And it'll walk you through the basics of starting your own online business step by step. And let me know in the comments, have you ever tried an MLM? And how did it go for you? Or did you get kind of screwed over like I did? So anyway, I do want to show you where you'll go if you click on my link down below if you're wanting to check out that starter, that free account at Wealthy Affiliate. and it'll take you to something similar to this. There are many links, and sometimes those links have a different homepage. But if you see up in the corner the WA and Wealthy Affiliate, you are in the right place. So thanks for watching, and keep in mind that the retirement isn't the end. Just because you're over 60 doesn't mean you stop growing and learning and building purpose, and you can do it online. So I will see you next time in the next video. Have a good day.